what are some of the opportunities in the agriculture value chain that you can really point out for us today?
Two things come into my mind, and one of them is efficiency, and the other is effectiveness. Efficiency is the ability to get desired results with the least effort, least resources, and that means you're optimizing your resources generally. So under a value chain kind of approach, you have players coming together, the producers, like Carol rightly said, the people who are doing marketing. So they are together, they are already in some kind of structure, and so it becomes cheaper, it becomes easier to reach out to them, even when we have to finance them, or even when we have to work with a bank. So under efficiency, some of the things that come out would be being able to aggregate this risk, understand it and profile it, would mean that the borrower can get a lower interest rate. But then for a financial institution, you have the ability to tailor products to the needs of customers. One of the things we look out for as a bank is trying to make sure that our financial services are appropriate, that they make sense to the borrower. Think about a farmer who is growing pineapples and is seeking for credit from the bank. If you want them to pay every month, then that is the first step into making them default. So tailoring products would mean we understand that we have to arrange cash flow based products. It means we understand tenors, how long loans should be given, but it also means that we understand the kind of risk that we are working with. And of course, with digitization coming into this process, you also have an advantage of managing payments differently. So if people had to walk to banks to be able to get paid under a value chain arrangement, we can have special payment structures that can enable people receive money on their phones, use their phones to make transfers, and also store value. Now, in terms of effectiveness, we're talking about the ability to have more value. And you know that when we collaborate under the value chains, it means we can bring in more players. So if I am going out to speak to farmers, if I'm talking to the people who are involved in marketing, if I'm talking to people who are involved in processing, I also understand that if they need credit, they will need somebody providing insurance. They will need a fintech that is going to provide us with technology. So as we bring all these players together, we are able to do more with little, but we also bring on more people who are providing more opportunities.